What's up, guys? You have reached the right place. This is fitimit.com. Just wanted to slow that down for you guys. Just want to make sure you know where you're at. You're in the right place if you're trying to get motivated, get inspired, and also take your fitness journey to the next level. All right, I've worked with people for years, at least 15 years of my career has been spent working with people just like you. People that are looking to improve their life, improve their health, and honestly even improve their marriage. You know, I'm taking you from just where you're at right now to a better you. All right, so you can experience that all across the board. All right, this is Fit-Imit, and I look forward to being your fitness trainer as well as motivational coach for the rest of your journey. Peace.